In today's YouTube short, we could have snow potentially by November 14th. That's a very potent little winter storm there, I see. And another one through here. That does produce lake effect. And then goes north. That's more of a Miller B. Temperatures. Pretty damn cold. Right before the Arctic blast, we're gonna see highs in the low 50s through Michigan and mid to upper 50s, maybe some low 60s through the central US and Ohio Valley. Damn it. But then up here towards Minnesota, North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Iowa, and the UP of Michigan, there is gonna be 30s and low 40s. And then that shit eventually spreads very far down. The freezing line is essentially like this. Maybe southern in some spots. But still. But other than that, y'all. Yeah. See you in the next one.